Welcome to A2 Cars, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and overviews of the latest vehicles. I'm your host, Leo, and today we're excited to bring you a detailed look at the 2025 Rivian R1S. From its sleek exterior design to its advanced safety features, we'll cover it all. Let's dive in and explore what makes this car a standout in its class. Exterior design and color options. The 2025 Rivian R1S boasts a rugged and futuristic exterior design with a unique front grille and LED headlights, sculpted body with a focus on aerodynamics, available in 9 colors: glacier white, midnight black, silver mist, ocean coast, forest green, lava red, El Capitan, canyon, Mad, Rivian Blue. Interior features. The R1S interior is designed for comfort and technology with seating for up to 7 passengers, 5.6-inch touchscreen display with navigation and Apple CarPlay Android Auto, premium audio system with 18 speakers, available panoramic roof and power-adjustable steering column. Performance specifications. The R1S offers 4 electric motor options: dual motor 600 horsepower and 600 lb-ft torque, quad motor 800 horsepower and 900 lb-ft torque, large pack 135 kW battery and 400-mile range, max pack 180 kW and 560-mile range. Safety features. The R1S prioritizes safety with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, collision avoidance technologies, including automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, 8 airbags, including a driver's knee airbag. Comfort and convenience features. The R1S offers dual-zone climate control with air quality monitoring, available heated and ventilated seats, power liftgate and adjustable air suspension, dimensions, cargo capacity, and towing capabilities. The R1S has a length of 203.9 inches, width of 79.3 inches, height of 78.3 inches, cargo capacity of 104.7 cubic feet behind front seats and 11.6 cubic feet behind third row, towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, fuel efficiency and range estimates. The R1S has an estimated range of up to 560 miles max pack, MPG rating of up to 74 city and 66 highway, trim levels and pricing information. The 2025 Rivian R1S is available in 3 trim levels: Explorer starting at $72,500, Adventure starting at $78,500, Launch Edition starting at $90,000. Thanks for watching A2 Cars. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. See you in the next video.